in the family. Mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, son. Thank you. Thank you. Ashwin.
Yeah. Look please. Ma'am here. Ma'am here.
I believe it's going to be a great event, and definitely some real men from India are going to be awarded, and which I'm sure they definitely truly deserve that. So I am looking for a lot of fun, and I think it is a really great course which they thought about.
According to you, who is the real man? What is the definition of yours for real man?
Someone who has a good heart and helping others. I think that's the true heroes all over India, which we can find in many, many documentaries. We have also been seeing that. So I think the true guy, the true hero, the true man of India should be someone who is helping others without expecting anything else for that.
Any real man come in your life?
I'm still waiting for that.
So, Gloria, what's going on in Bollywood?
In Bollywood, my upcoming movie is Kya Kula Hum Part 3, which is releasing beginning of next year. So that's what I have been working for now, and yeah.
So, how was it working with the gang of boys, Aftab and Tushar?
Yeah, Aftab, Tushar and Krishna is there, so they are really fantastic actors, great comedians. So we had plenty of fun. Every scene was turning out to be something different only. Of course, in a positive manner. It was fantastic. The comedy timing they have, and especially Krishna also joining the group. Of course, Tushar and Aftab are profis already, and Krishna joining them. We had really some great masti, and I'm sure you guys will be enjoying Kya Kula Hum in a real enjoying, really.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
लाइट नहीं है
लाइट नहीं है
वीडियो ऑल्सो फोटो
मारे इसको
अली से एक स्टेप
अली या
लाइट बस
लाइट है ना
हाँ बस स्टेडी वन मोर हियर
हो गया अली वेट अली थैंक यू
बहुत खुश लग रहे हो, क्या बात है?
मैं ऐसे भाग के आया हूँ, तो मैं बड़ी 2 घंटे बाद गाड़ी से उतरा हूँ, तो मुझे बस अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत एनर्जी है. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इवेंट. मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि जिप्पो और मैक्सिम ने मुझे चुना है फॉर दिस रियल मैन कैंपेन. और या रियल मैन भाग के आता है.
आपके लिए रियल मैन की डेफिनेशन क्या है रियल मैन?
रियल मैन बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. रियल मैन वो है जो बम्बई की सड़कों पे चल भी सकता है, वड़ा पाव खा सकता है और आपकी 5 स्टार होटल में इतनी शानदार पार्टी में भी एंटर कर सकता है एट द सेम टाइम एंड स्टिल विद अ स्माइल बिकॉज ही एक्सेप्ट्स एवरीथिंग दैट कम्स हिज वे, टेक्स इट एज अ चैलेंज एंड डज इट.
कोई पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है जिसे आप फॉलो करते
मेरी कबर्ड में जो मुझे पहली चीज़ सुबह दिखती है वो मेरा स्टाइल होता है. आई फॉलो दैट बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स योर इनर इंस्टिंक्ट, यू शुड फॉलो दैट एंड दैट्स व्हाट अ रियल मैन इज.
हैं? अच्छा अली, न्यू ईयर एंड दिवाली आ रहा है, दिवाली के लिए कुछ प्लान है आपका?
नहीं, मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ उसकी, तो मेरे पटाखे वहीं फूटेंगे सेट पे. हैप्पी भाग जाएगी शूट का सेकंड शेड्यूल शुरू हो रहा है. सो या आई थिंक चंडीगढ़ में होगी दिवाली.
अच्छा, न्यू ईयर के लिए कोई रेजोल्यूशन बनाने में बिलीव करते हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. न्यू ईयर नहीं, पूरे साल रेजोल्यूशन होना चाहिए. न्यू ईयर पे उसकी असेसमेंट होनी चाहिए.
अच्छा, नया साल आ रहा है तो चीज़ें भी नहीं होंगी, तो कोई अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जो आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहें?
नहीं, एक पूजा भट्ट का जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो इंशाल्लाह शुरू होगा जनवरी में, क्योंकि दिसंबर आई थिंक विल फिनिश हैप्पी एंड उसके बाद या लव अफेयर विच इज़ बीन इन द न्यूज़ ऑलरेडी, तो वो बिकॉज इट्स बीन डिलेइंग.
Define the real man.
Oh, I said something. Oh yeah, you'll have to play that back and check it out. But I think this is such a great event, and not just real men, and I think real women as well. A real man is someone who I believe who has immense respect for humanity, and I think that's not a Miss Universe or Mr. Universe answer. It's just it's what it is. You have to be comfortable in your own skin. If you can do that.
अली, you are doing the fan.
नहीं. That's
ओके. तो लेकिन बॉलीवुड में तो आप नज़र आ रहे हैं फिल्मों में, लेकिन हॉलीवुड में हमने सुना है कि कुछ और रोल आप अब देख रहे हैं, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स वगैरह. इज इट ट्रू?
नहीं, मेरी एक फिल्म प्ले हो रही है मामी पे.
Okay.
बल्कि 2 अब हो रही हैं, क्योंकि यशराज की हम लोगों ने एक वेब फिल्म भी की है. दैट्स ऑल्सो प्लेइंग एट मामी. सो उसका काफ़ी अच्छा फीडबैक आया है विद द ट्रेलर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड या. बट अभी नथिंग, नॉट अ स्टूडियो फिल्म राइट नाउ. फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस was the one I did. अभी मेरा यहाँ काम चल रहा है, आई कांट निगलेक्ट दैट.
चलिए, सुपर. थैंक यू सो मच.
Excuse me, man.
Huge round of applause.
लाइट देना.
We asked people from around the country to tell us what they think are the qualities of a real man in circa 2015 of being a real man. So, from Zippo and Maxim, let's take a look on the screen. Is that? Do you know how many of them were so jealous of you in Fast and Furious? I mean, the women were screaming, and the fact A that you're from this part of the world, and B that Fast and Furious. How did that happen?
That's a long story. I was not at the Everest. I was in Missouri, so it wasn't that high up. They pulled me back down, and they got me to.
We're a couple of us in line here. No, but seriously, this campaign, this whole Twitter, social media thing just turned into something way bigger than any of us imagined. And it all started with you. How did it come about?
Well, I think it was. Thank you, Zippo and Maxim. Thank you very much, because right now I feel really cool, standing amongst these men and right there, and all of you people, and thank you for having me help promote this campaign. I think it's a really, really cool platform, and what better? It doesn't get better, right?
But for Ali, a real man is.
Anything I say, I think it's not going to fit right. These are real men, and many more out there, and we guys are still, out there trying. And when you're trying, I feel that is what makes you real. So till the time you're trying and you keep trying, you're real. The moment you sit back and relax, you say, okay, you know what, I've got it. They made a video on me, and yeah, you're done, and that's it. I mean, I'm not much of a speaker, but that's pretty.
But that is beautiful. I'm going to quote you on that. The moment you keep trying and keep trying, you reveal it's beautiful. So, since you're on stage, we're going to, of course, felicitate one of our winners who's here tonight, one of the real men. And I know how difficult this is because though my dad's a surgeon, he tried to climb the western face of Mount Carmel, and I want to do that. This was before it was ever climbed. So I know how tough mountaineering is, and paralyzed at 22,000 feet. I want to hear more about that. But let's welcome one of our real men onto stage to be felicitated. See, I'm already stumbling on my words. Arjun, could we have you here, please? Climbing Mount Everest at 16. First, do we felicitate him first? Nisha, do you have something planned to be given to him, and then we'll talk to him? Ali, could you do the honors, please?
Excuse me, yeah. Straight here. Ali, straight. Ali, straight here.
Aliyah.
We can't put the music on. We need him to talk a little bit. Paralyzed at 22,000 feet is what I've heard. How did he go back? I know.